Hi, I'm Barry Smith. I'm the president of the North Cascades Vintage Aircraft Museum, and we are having an incredible day today. It's Saturday, July 26, 2014, and the weather gods have been kind to us. It's not too hot, it's not too cold, it is just right. And we got about 200 airplanes. I think this is an all-time record for the North Cascades fly-in. And 200 airplanes and 200 dogs. And lots of people having a good time.
We have some really rare and unique airplanes. Travel 6000, a Boeing monoplane that's the oldest one in the world, Beech Staggerwing, Lockheed Electra, Orion SCW, all very, very rare machines. And antique car clubs are here. And the swing band will be starting shortly. So we're having a really good time.
What I was impressed with as soon as I walked in, you'll see the biplanes and these vintage planes. Every one of them flew here. That's pretty fun.
My name is Olin Hanley. This is my son Steven, and we're from Bellevue, Washington. This is a 1952 Cessna 170, a B model.
My name is Andrew Bradford. I'm out of Renton, Washington. And this is Conical Visit. It's a 1946 Lesko Mayday.
We're from the UK. It's Ben and Anne-Marie. This is a Diablon Puss Moth that we keep in Spokane, Washington. And we're just over on vacation touring around the Pacific Northwest.
Hi, I'm David McNett, and this is my aircraft, Cessna 182, 1968.
It's a really nice community. You can just tell by walking around that everyone's really friendly. You can just chill out and chat to people with similar interests. It's great.
It's a very beautiful setting. The hangars are just fabulous. I love how they have the greenery in between them and the flowers.
VintageAircraftMuseum.org